Hello and welcome back. So continuing from the last video, so I hope you have a new project now, basic project, app project. So what we are going to do is you are going to add a list fragment, okay, and attach it to your main activity, okay, and that should, when you run the app, it should display a list of employee names, okay. So let me show you how I have done it. First thing is for the data part, I have added a employee class. Okay, from this class we will get the name of the employees and other details. So it's a simple plain old Java class, okay, in which you have employee name, employee number, employee title, okay, and then you have a constructor here. So the constructor takes all the three attributes as its parameter. Okay. The next part is I've created this array, and this array is, as of now, it has like three employee objects in it with with all the fields name. I mean all the field names. So it has employee name, employee number, and the title. Okay. So I've created some random stuff here, and then I've created another method, a convenience method, get employee names, and that returns us an array of employee names, okay, which will be Ankur, John, and Mark in this case. That's pretty much it. This is our class, and this will give us the data to display in our list fragment. Next, what I did is, and what you need to do is, once you have added this class, everything will be in GitHub. Okay, so you can go ahead and take a look. If you get stuck somewhere, just refer to the project, refer to the files, and I think you should be all set. Next is like you need to add a fragment. I have named it as employee list fragment, and this fragment will display the list of employee names. Okay, it's a you do it via the same method. You go to your app and you right click on it. You go to the fragments. Okay, sorry about this. You go to fragment, and then you create a new list fragment. So once you are done, um, you need to add a few things, I'll say, to this class. One of the things is in the on create view method, we need to add a array adapter, and this array adapter will refer to the get employee names method that you have added here. Okay, the get employee names, which will return an array of employee names, and rest of the stuff is pretty much similar. I haven't um, made many changes to the class that got generated. And then in the main activity class, again, I haven't made any changes. Only thing is I've implemented this interface. I'll explain this interface in one of the coming videos why this is needed. But for now, you will have to implement it. The reason being that this list fragment class defines an interface, okay, and this interface and this interface needs to be implemented by the main activity or whichever activity gets associated to this fragment. Okay. Next, like in the layout XML file for the main activity, I added a linear layout and I added a fragment element which refers to the employee list fragment. um, Pretty straightforward again. So these are the components I have added so far. I hope you get an idea about this. When you run the app, then you will see this view getting displayed. The default theme will be there and the list of items will be there. Okay, so in the next video, you will be creating another fragment which is going to display the detail of the employee which is clicked by the user. Okay, so more about that in the next video, in the next lecture. For now, go ahead and try this out. Refer to the GitHub account. I'll leave the URL in the description, in the video description, so that it's easy for you to navigate. And if you get stuck, feel free to leave a comment or just directly contact me, and I'll try to help you out. So go ahead and try it out. All the best. Thanks.